So let's make the salad. I'll be using the Kewpie roasted sesame dressing today. I usually don't add this, but I'm craving something spicy, so I'm going to use 3 teaspoons of chili oil. It smells so good! I find that making your healthy meals tasty goes a long way. Seasoned seaweed. I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes and olives. And the salad is done. On the side, I also have 4 boiled eggs with Bovril all over it. Alright, so let's eat. Spicy, smoky from the seaweed. It's full of flavor. You can even taste the crunchy garlic from the chili oil. Jammy eggs. Oh. Mmm. I love Bovril. I'm pretty full. I'm gonna stop my mukbang here. See you guys next time.